Indefinite pronouns. In this video, you will learn what indefinite pronouns are, how to use them, and examples of using them. Let's get started. First, let's start by looking at what indefinite pronouns are. Indefinite pronouns are used to refer to nonspecific people or things. They do not point to any particular person, place, or thing. Indefinite pronouns are useful when the exact identity of the noun is unknown or irrelevant. 1. Anyone. Refers to any person, without specifying who. Example, does anyone know the answer to this question? 2. Someone. Refers to an unspecified, single person. Example, someone left their bag in the classroom. 3. Nobody. Refers to no person at all. Example, nobody was at home when I called. 4. Everybody. Refers to all people. Example, everybody enjoyed the party. 5. Anything. Refers to anything, without specifying what. Example, you can choose anything from the menu. 6. Something. Refers to a certain, unspecified thing. Example, I heard something strange outside. 7. Nothing. Refers to no thing. Example, there is nothing in the fridge. 8. Everything. Refers to all things. Example, she packed everything for the trip. Practice exercises. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with the correct indefinite pronoun. 1. Anyone or someone can join the club if they are interested. Answer, anyone can join the club if they are interested. 2. I need something or nothing to write with. Answer, I need something to write with. 3. Everybody or nobody was excited about the news. Answer, everybody was excited about the news. 4. He looked in the box, but there was everything or nothing inside. Answer, he looked in the box, but there was nothing inside. 5. Can anyone or everyone help me with this problem? Clue, not specific. Answer, can anyone help me with this problem? Exercise 2. Rewrite the sentences using the correct indefinite pronoun. 1. All the people were happy. Answer, everybody was happy. 2. I can't find any one thing to eat. Answer, I can't find anything to eat. 3. No person knew the answer. Answer, nobody knew the answer. 4. Any person can apply for the job. Answer, anyone can apply for the job. 5. A certain person called you earlier. Answer, someone called you earlier.